to Simple Trends. Thank you all for your support and encouragement. We are at the 100th video of Simple Trends. And to celebrate this milestone, let's make eggless chocolate mousse and serve them in edible chocolate cups. A great dessert. I am sure your family will love this special treat. Let's welcome the new year with happy, healthy, and tasty notes. Our channel has videos on home organization, time management, and cleaning, along with a variety of one-pot recipes and meal plans to make your routine chores easier. Do check them and don't forget to subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. For the chocolate cups, I have chopped around 75 grams of dark compound chocolate. You can get this in stores where you get your regular baking supplies. This is also referred as cooking chocolate. There are many brands and varieties available. I have used dark chocolate which has lesser sugar content in this. Chop it into even pieces very finely so when we melt it will be easy. To melt the chocolate, I put the chopped pieces in a bowl and keep it on a double boiler. You can also use a microwave for this, but I prefer this method. Ensure the water in the vessel is not boiling and does not touch the cup in which we have kept the chocolate. The cup should fit properly so the steam does not escape through the sides, as water on the chocolate will spoil the tempering. Now it has melted and there are no lumps. Since the pieces were very small, it had just taken me 2 minutes for this. Switch off the flame and mix the chocolate well. To make the cups, I use silicone muffin molds as it is easier to demold after the chocolate sets. You can also use paper muffin cups for this. Using a spoon or spatula, coat the inside of the mold with the melted chocolate. Ensure there are no gaps. After coating, keep them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to set. Do not keep this in the freezer. I have given the online links for the chocolate varieties and the silicone molds in the description box. In the meanwhile, let's make the eggless mousse to fill in this beautiful chocolate cups. I have chopped around 75 grams of the dark chocolate into small pieces and will melt them in the double boiler like how we did for the chocolate cups. I am using 200 ml of low-fat cream for this mousse. You can also use heavy whipping cream. The cream should be chilled in the refrigerator before we start whisking it. Whisk it on a low speed for 2 to 3 minutes. If you are using a hand whisk, it will take you around 5 to 6 minutes. If you keep whisking it for long, the butter will separate from it. After whisking the cream, I add this to the melted chocolate and mix it well. I have not added any icing sugar to the cream as the chocolate will give the necessary sweetness to the mousse. Mix well till they combine and give a beautiful creamy texture. The mousse should be light and airy. I have retained a few spoons of the cream for garnishing on top after the mousse sets. By now, the chocolate cups are also set and ready to be filled. Demold from the silicone muffin molds before you fill with mousse because it will be easier to serve. You can use small glass cups instead of these edible chocolate cups also. Gently peel the silicone mold to avoid breaking as these are very delicate. Pour the chocolate mousse in the chocolate cups. Refrigerate for 1 or 2 hours to set and serve. Do not place them in the freezer. Once set, top with fresh cream or any nuts of your choice or even chocolate chips. The eggless chocolate mousse served in yummy edible chocolate cups. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe and share with your friends and family too. Stay tuned to Simple Trends for more interesting and easy recipes. Till then, bye.